As a teacher in rural Nepal, I see firsthand how deeply climate change impacts my students and their families. From water scarcity to falling crops to loss of livelihoods, climate change is not a distant concept. It's a lived reality that affects all the aspects of their lives, educations, and future. My students witness this hardship, leaving them feeling anxious about their future and uncertain about their ability to create a change.
Yet, across classrooms, students' education remains disconnected from these daily experiences. Climate change and environmental risks are treated as theoretical knowledge rather than providing students with relevant, applicable tools to understand and actively shape the world around them.
As a teacher, we want to change it. We want to connect students better to this issue to make it feel real and personal, not just another lesson in the textbook. We want them to understand their lived reality is connected to a wilder collective issue. And we want them to realize that they are not forced to be victim or passive observers, but that they can be a change agents.
Our school Eco Club is a space for students to exercise their creativity and power and create solutions to community challenges. Through the club, we engage students in hands-on activities like cleanup drives, planting trees, or reducing waste at school and at home.
For teachers to create such space for students, we need support. Climate education should be fully integrated into the curriculum with training and resources readily available to help us bring climate education to life in the classroom in ways that deeply connect with the lives of students.
When students see that learning connects to their reality and that they can shape solutions, they gain not just knowledge but agency. They stop feeling powerless and start seeing themselves as a part of change. This is how we make climate education meaningful, not just teaching about the crisis but empowering students to respond to it.